basically, okay, awak boleh baca what is the characteristic of mean and how to obtain it. Okay, first population mean. Okay, population mean, nampak tak simbol dia? Okay, this is the notation or the symbol for population mean. Okay, represented by a Greek letter called mu. So mu is population mean in statistic. Okay, and population mean is simply, okay, nampak tak summation ni? Sigma ni adalah summation of all x. Jadi bila nampak sigma ni, maksud dia adalah sum of all. Sum of all x, and then you divide everything with the number n or number of values in population. Okay, example. Okay, you have 12 automobile manufacturing companies, and you also have number of patents granted for each companies. Okay, jadi awak nampak yang paling tinggi, the highest, General Motors 5.1, and lowest BMW 13 patents. Okay, now if you like to know what is the mean number of patents granted, so you sum up everything, nampak sigma x. So you sum up everything and then you divide it by the number of companies. So altogether you have 12 companies. Jadi dapatlah 195. Okay, so this is things that you already know, and you're going to use this again and again in statistics later on. Okay. Okay, and there is another thing called sample mean, and you're going to use the different notation walaupun cara nak kira tu lebih kurang sama. Okay, x bar. X bar is summation of all values, and then you divide it with small n, representing number of values in sample. Jadi kalau tadi capital N adalah values in population. Okay, jadi population size, yang ni sample size. Okay, so for example, we have telco Suncom studying number of minutes used monthly by clients, and this is an old data. Random sample of 12 clients, nampak sample of 12 clients. So you have altogether 12 data. Sum up, divide by 12 to get your answer as 97.5 minutes. So you're going to use x bar or sample mean to represent your sample here or your data here. Okay, jadi ni cuma average kan, semua orang tahu kira kan. Okay, jadi ada benda-benda lain yang kita boleh cari juga, contohnya weighted mean. Okay, yang ni awak boleh tengok sendiri, and median. Median is just the midpoint of your data set. Okay, for example, if you have ages for 5 college students, you arrange it in ascending order. Jadi yang tengah-tengah ni adalah median. Okay, and ini kalau 5 data. Kalau 4 data, median adalah the average of the middle two. Okay, so median is 75 plus 76, and then you divide by 2. So the median is 75.5. Okay, mode. Mode is simply value of the most frequent value. So in this case, okay, you have bar charts, and then awak nampak kan yang paling tinggi adalah this Lamore. Okay, the favoring various bath all. So this is the mode. Jadi awak boleh represent this as your the most frequent. Apa dia, tak dengar? Apa dia, Ashraf?
Yes, frekuensi ya.
Apa dia? Sorry, Ashraf.
Highest frekuensi.
Sorry? Highest?
Highest
Highest. Yes. Highest frequency. Okay, nanti saya akan tunjukkan a few data yang menunjukkan highest frequency tu. Saya rasa masa awak cari chart hari tu awak jumpa kan things like this, di mana awak boleh nampak lah daripada data set ni siapa yang paling prominent. Okay, for example, let's say sekejap let's say you have data with you. Okay, katakanlah awak search untuk box office movie. Okay, in 2020, or is it 2019? Okay, box office movies. And okay, and for example, like this kan. Okay, so basically, katakanlah you want to make a presentation of your data. So kadang-kadang awak ambil average kan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So top 10, you memang top 10 movies. Kadang-kadang awak nak bagi tahu orang, okay, top 10 movies that at the box office in 2019. Okay, apa yang awak boleh buat adalah awak boleh cari average kan, betul tak? Okay, jadi awak add up everything and then you divide by 10. Okay, you can do that. Or sometimes you just want to make it quick. Jadi awak tahu kalau 10 data, ambil yang tengah-tengah kan. Siapa tengah-tengah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dengan 6 kan? Spiderman dengan Aladdin. Jadi awak add these two and then you divide by 2. Jadi awak boleh dapat macam the million is how many million. Okay, jadi 300 lebih million kat sini. Or sometimes you just want to look at the highest one. Okay, which is 858 million. However, kalau ambil 858 million ni macam dia tidaklah represent the whole data lah, because this is like macam outlier lah, sebab dia terlalu tinggi dibanding dengan orang lain yang 9 lagi. Betul tak? Okay? So basically median mode are used to represent the measure of location for your data set. Okay, nanti kita cuba tengok data-data yang lain dalam bentuk teks kita. Okay, next. After you have calculated mean, there is another measure that is equally important. Okay, you can use Excel to calculate your mean, median, or mode. Okay, awak boleh cuba ni dekat Excel awak. Okay, there is another one called dispersion. Jadi sebenarnya kadang-kadang orang selalu bila dia ada data, dia cuma nak tahu mean saja. Okay, for example, let's say, I'll give you an example. Kita nak cari pencil dia. This one. And class B. Okay, jadi awak ada dua kelas. Okay, dan kelas A, kebanyakan pelajar X bar, rata markah dia adalah 70%. Okay, manakala kelas B, rata markah pelajar adalah 75%. Okay? Okay, sekarang soalan saya adalah kelas mana yang lebih bagus? Okay, can anyone guess which class is better?
Class B.
Class B. Okay, so if your answer is based on X bar alone, you're going to say B has better grades. But let's say now I give you another info. Okay, guna pen merah pula. Katakanlah standard deviationnya untuk kelas ni adalah 5. Okay, manakala standard deviation untuk kelas ni adalah 30. Okay, macam mana sekarang? Apa maksud ni? Okay, standard deviation gives you an idea on how the data in class A and class B, how the data spread. Okay, boleh tak awak boleh tak awak kira 70 campur tolak 5? Boleh tak? Cuba awak kira 70 campur tolak 5. 70 tambah 5, 75 kan? Okay, 70 tolak 5, 60,
70.
65 Okay, campur tolak. Okay, boleh tak awak campur tolak yang ni dua? Okay, 75 tolak 30 adalah 45. Dan 75 tambah 30 adalah 105.
5.
Alright. So, sebenarnya saya bagi ni just untuk awak dapat gambaran. Okay, you can say that most students probably will get, for this class, they will get 65 to 75. Manakala untuk student kelas B, dia akan dapat antara 45 hingga 100 lah kan. 100 paling tinggi kan. Okay. So, probability 45 up to 100. Jadi sekarang, with the spread of data S, okay, boleh tak awak bagi tahu saya kelas mana yang sebenarnya better in performance?
Kelas A.
Kelas A. Yeah. Yeah, of course. It's A.
Kelas
Because, yes, sebab awak punya mean rendah sikit daripada kelas ni, tapi awak punya data spread or data dispersion, ni dimaksudkan dengan dispersion. Okay? Jadi, bila data dispersion is low, means that value tu dekat-dekat. Tapi kalau ni spread is very huge, walaupun 75 ni lebih tinggi daripada 70, however, you will find that there are students who get very low marks and very high marks. Okay? So that's why kalau orang bagi min saja tak cukup. Okay, tak cukup. Awak perlukan juga data on the standard deviation or okay, dekat sini dia cakap lah why study dispersion. Okay, mean only describe center of data. Okay, but it does not tell us anything about the spread of data. Okay, dan ini adalah example yang sangat bagus lah. Okay, if your nature guide, katakanlah ada tourist guide told you that the river average 3 feet in depth, would you want to wade across on foot without additional information? Okay, dia cakap, okay ada dua sungai, average-nya 3 kaki. 3 kaki semua orang berani masuk kan? Tapi tengok-tengok 3 kaki plus minus 10 kaki. Okay, siapa yang tak boleh berenang, memang matilah. Okay? Okay, so you need to know not only mean but also the dispersion by knowing what is S. Okay, range is one measure of dispersion and another measure of dispersion. Okay, simplest measure. That is just by taking a difference between largest value and smallest value. Okay, whereas, okay, cuba awak tengok standard deviation dia ada dua kan. This is, this is on variance and standard deviation for population. Nampak perkataan population kat situ? Okay, awak nampak macam susah je dia punya formula tu kan? Sebenarnya tak pun. It's just summation of your data and then you minus with mean and then you square it and then you divide everything with the population size. Okay, for example, yeah. Okay, this is finding the range. Okay, cuma yang paling tinggi tolak paling rendah. Okay, this is number of cappuccinos sold. Okay, and okay, this one. Okay, we have number of traffic citations issued during the last 5 months in South Carolina, and this is 38, 26, 13, 41 and 22. Okay, jadi awak ada 5 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the population variance. Okay, now kita nak cari population variance. Jadi awak ambil lah setiap data ni, awak tolakkan dengan mean. Okay, macam mana nak cari mean? 140 jumlah semua, and then awak bahagi dengan 5. Jadi dapat 28. Okay, nak cari variance, mula-mula ini formula dia kan, X tolak mu kuasa 2. Jadi cari dulu X tolak mu. 38 tolak 28, 26 tolak 28 dan seterusnya. Okay, and then you square it. 10 kuasa 2, negatif 2 kuasa 2, 15 kuasa 2. Okay, dah penat buat macam tu, sum up. 5, 3, 4, and then bahagi dengan N, iaitu 5. So, this is your variance. Okay, in order for you to get standard deviation, awak cuma square rootkan saja. Okay, square root iaitu, square root ni kan, tahu kan, punca kuasa 2 untuk dapat S, standard deviation. Alright? So, very easy, and you can use your calculator to find what is variance and also mean. Okay, this is another one, sample variance. Sample variance ni lebih kurang je dengan population variance. Cuma kalau perasan sini bagi dengan N kan. Tapi for sample variance, you need to minus 1. Okay, sebenarnya ada tujuan ni. Dia cuma nak reduce bias. Okay. Jadi caranya adalah sama je. Awak ada 1, 2, okay, hourly wages for part-time employees at Home Depot. Okay, 12, 20, 16, 18, 19 kan? Okay. So, awak bahagi dengan 85 bahagi dengan 5. Okay. Dapat berapa 17. Berapa? 85 bahagi 5. 17. Okay. Now, 12 tolak 17. 20 tolak 17. 16 tolak 17. 18 tolak 17. 19 tolak 17. Dapat 2. Okay, kuasa 2 kan setiap satu? Dapat jumlah dia, and then bahagi dengan 5 tolak 1 sebab N ni adalah 5. So you got it as 40 divided by 4, which is 10. So 10 is your variance. Okay. Jadi kalau nak cari standard deviation, awak punca kuasa 2 kan saja. Okay. Jadi saya akan bagi exercise macam mana nak cari mean dengan variance. Awak buat tu dekat sendiri. Okay? Okay, boleh ke? Nanti saya bagi video macam mana nak guna calculator untuk cari mean dan juga standard deviation. Okay, boleh lah. Ada soalan tak?
Boleh.
Boleh. Awak kan semua pandai semua. Semua matematik dapat A kan? Okay. Matematik semua dapat A. At math? Apa dia?
Pemunyian ni kan.
Ashraf, saya memang tak faham awak cakap macam orang planet Pluto. Okay, mungkin awak boleh chat kot. Probably your line is not that good ataupun my line is not good. Yeah, I know. Okay.
Madam,
Yeah.
kenapa dia dinamakan population variance?
Okay, population variance apabila, okay sekejap kita masuk semua sini. That is a good question. Okay, kenapa population variance? Sebab mana tadi? Sini kan? Yeah, population variance because ini adalah data untuk population. Awak ada 5 je data dalam population awak. Nampak tak? During the last 5 months. Jadi, memang 5 bulan ni 5 je lah data. So, semua sekali data yang awak ada memang 5 saja. So, that is a population. Whereas, untuk yang ni, okay, sample variance dia cakap a sample of part-time employees. Jadi, dia ambil 5 orang daripada you don't know how many employees they have. Probably they have more than, of course they will have more than 5, right? Sebab tu dia cakap sample. Boleh? Boleh Huda?
Okay, boleh.
Okay. Jadi dia bergantung kepada data tu adalah data on population ke ataupun data on sample. Okay, kalau data on sample awak kena bagi dengan N tolak 1 ya. Okay. Saya pergi pada normal distribution boleh? Dia kena cepat-cepat sikit.
Boleh.
Okay. Apa dia semula? Sorry, I cannot hear you. I'm so sorry. Boleh type tak? Ataupun kawan yang dengar boleh bagi tahu tak? Sebab tak dengar. Sebab okay, for your information, right now hujan lebat sangat-sangat dekat Uniza ni lah. So bila hujan lebat tu dia punya reception tu very bad. Okay, boleh repeat soalan? Ataupun nak chat? Ataupun sudah berputus asa? Ataupun I'm talking alone? Okay. Okay, Waalaikumsalam sayang. Why? Ada apa soalan? Oh, I see. Alah. Okay. I know you accountants are always like this. Selalu tanya berapa decimal places. Okay, biasanya 3 lah. Biasanya kita decimal places tu kalau boleh 3 lah. Kalau tak boleh 3, 2 pun okay. Alright? Okay, Okay, now there's another part that I discussed with the other group yesterday. Okay, on normal probability distribution. Okay, kita dah belajar probability kan? Okay, and next part is is on probability distribution. So distribution ni adalah sebenarnya bila sebut distribution, it refers to a table. Okay? When it says normal probability distribution, it refers to a table. Jadi sebelum kita tengok table tu, kita kena faham dulu characteristic of normal probability distribution. Okay. So this is what you have as the characteristics of a normal probability distribution. Okay, first, it says that normal probability distribution has bell shape. Arithmetic mean, median, mode are equal. Bell shape tu macam mana? And then it also says here total area under curve is 1. Half of the normal curve is to the right and other half to the left. Boleh bayangkan tak? And it is symmetrical. Symmetrical maksudnya? Mungkin
sama banyak.
Yes, sama kiri kanan mungkin. Ataupun sama atas bawah. Tidak, sebab dia bell shape. mesti kiri kanan sama. Asymptotic. So the curve gets closer and closer to x-axis but never touches it. And location of distribution is determined by mu and spread is determined by standard deviation. Ini kita tahulah. Okay, and this is what is meant by normal distribution graphically. Okay, jadi tadi kan bagi tahu kan bell shape, symmetric with mirror image. Jadi mirror tu kat tengah. Okay, and it also says what else? Mean, median, mode are equal. Mean, mode dekat mana? Mode dekat sini kan, kat tengah kan? Sebab yang paling tinggi kan, frekuensi. Median is in the middle, of course. And mean is also in the middle because it is symmetric. So mean, median, mode are equal and curve is negative and negative infinity. Jadi dia akan pergi terus saja. Okay, pergi terus sampai ke syurga. Alright? So this is the characteristic of normal distribution. Okay, mungkin ada satu lagi yang saya tak sebut. Boleh siapa-siapa recall? Okay, nampak ni? Dia cakap area under the curve is 1. Okay, apa maksud tu? Okay, so
Maksudnya dia tak menyentuh pada x-axis.
yang ni. Apa maksud ni? Area under the curve is 1.
Total area bell shape tu adalah 1.
Dan kalau separuh?
0.5.
Okay, that's great. Okay, pandai awak ni semua kan. Okay, jadi semua sekali 1 ataupun 100%. Okay, ingat tak probability? Probability hari tu kita belajar antara 0 hingga 1 kan. Okay, jadi all together it's 1 or 100%. Okay, jadi kalau separuh? Separuh maksudnya?
0.5.
Yes, 0.5. Okay, so 0.5. Alright? Very well done. Okay, kalau sikit je kat ujung ni, berapa? Yang ni tak? Berapa? Berapa ni?
3 over 0.3.
Okay, probably less than 0.3 sebab separuh ni dah 0.25 kan. Okay? Jadi kalau kecil tu mesti kurang daripada mesti kurang sangat lah ni, kecil je. Alright. Jadi kita akan cari macam mana nak calculate. Yang ni saya nak awak buat. Okay, anyway, before kita calculate, okay, you should know that, okay, nampak tak bentuk dia ni? Okay, bell shape sama je kan? Bell shape, but of course, okay, the spread tu, okay, awak nampak kan? Mean dia sama, okay, kat tengah-tengah, tapi sigma dia berbeza. Okay, bila ini disebut spread of data. Data awak kiri ke kanan kan? Okay, yang ni kiri ke kanan, dari sini ke sini. But this is a larger spread of 5 years. Okay, yang ni a lower spread of 3.1 years. Okay? Jadi dia akan affected the shape of this bell. Okay, and in order for you to find the probability of something happening, okay, you're going to use something called standard normal probability distribution. And in using standard normal distribution, you're going to find what is a Z value. Jadi mungkin sekarang awak tak faham lagi, tapi tengok dulu, cuba tengok ni. Ini adalah formula yang awak akan guna. Z is X minus mu divided by sigma. Jadi kita tengok apakah yang dimaksudkan dengan normal probability distribution. Okay, so you can search using Google. Okay, Google je ataupun dalam buku awak pun ada. Okay, just normal probability ataupun normal distribution table. And you can search for image or even websites regarding the topic. And I have found a few types of normal distribution table. Nampak ni? Mean. Nampak
Nampak tak tanya?
huruf Z ni? Okay, Z. And then, nampak ni? Okay, jadi kalau nak baca
Nampak.
table, tengok. Okay, tengok yang atas ni. Okay, and this is another type with Z value here. And then this is another one with Z value. Okay, at the beginning of the table. Okay, so the first column is Z value. Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan Z value? Balik kepada cerita kita tadi. Sekejap. Okay. Okay, for example, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is an example from the book. Okay, let's say you have weekly incomes of 4 men in the glass industry which follow normal probability distribution. And you know mean, okay, dalam 5 minit lagi kita habis ni. Okay. Okay, normal probability distribution, mean 1000, standard deviation 100. Okay, so the question asks what is the Z value of income? Okay, jadi awak pun calculate guna formula yang diberi X tolak mu bagi sigma. X kita 1100 kan? Mu dia dah bagi 1000 and standard deviation 100. So you calculate X tolak mu sama dengan 1. Okay? Jadi bila X tolak mu sama dengan 1, bahagi sigma sama dengan 1, jadi awak dapat nilai Z. Okay? Z for X is 1100 is 1. And if you replace X with $900, okay, this becomes Z equal to negative 1. Okay? Okay, kenapa awak sibuk sangat nak cari Z tu? Sebab sebenarnya ini adalah kenapa awak nak cari Z. Okay, sebab awak nak jawab soalan ni. Okay, dia bagi tahu mean 1000, standard deviation 100. Okay, cuba awak tengok soalan ni. What is the probability? Okay, what is the probability of selecting a foreman whose weekly income between 1000 and 1100? Okay, jadi sebenarnya apa yang awak buat adalah awak nak cari berapa area ni. Kalau awak tahu apa area ni, then you can answer this question. Okay? Jadi caranya adalah, nampak tak 1000 ni? 1000 mean kan? Mean di tengah-tengah, jadi Z adalah 0. Okey, manakala bila 1100, okey, nampak tak nilai 1000 ni? Kalau 1000 dekat sini, 1100 mestilah belah kanan. Okay, because 1100 is more than 1000. Okay, now this shaded area, if you can find what is this shaded area, okay, then you can answer the question here. And in order for you to find this shaded area, you need to know what is Z for this value, 1100. Jadi sebab tu tadi kita calculate kan, untuk Z 1100, untuk X 1100, Z kita dapati adalah 1. Okay, now Cuba kita tengok table kita. Kalau Z1, okey, boleh awak tengok tak table ni? Z1. Apakah nilai probability dia? Okey, boleh catat tak 0.3413? Boleh Z1 0.3413. Okey, dah catat dah? Anissa dah catat? Dah Okey, next. Okey, next. Cuba tengok Z
Okey,
dekat ni.
kita dah.
Ya, okey. Cuba tengok Z dekat sini. Untuk table kedua, 1. Okey, nampak 1 ni? 1, tak kisahlah negatif tu, just ignore. Okey, boleh tak catat 0.1587? 0.1587. Okay, alright. And then the third one, Z equal to 1. Nampak ni? Z equal to 1. Mana 1 Oh, this one. Okay, juga 0.1587. Sorry. Betul tak ni? Okay, I think this is a wrong table. Okay, yang ni salah ni table ni. Okay, kejap saya cari table lain. Yang ni.